everybody, and today I am going to be doing another typing test. I have not done one in a while, so hope you guys enjoy. And I will make a lot of mistakes. There we go, 130. That's actually pretty good, 130. Hope you guys enjoy, and see you guys probably in the next video.